Hey, I'm Tomasz, I'm an 18 years old solo traveler here in Southeast Asia, and in this video we are going to explore Thailand's former capital, Nakhon Si Ayutthaya. Come with me. I just arrived to the Hua Lamphong train station on time to Ayutthaya for a 1.5 hour ride. I had to pay 15 baht, which is less than 40 cents. Crazy. It was so cheap because I chose the classic, authentic Thai train experience on third class. Guys, I arrived to Ayutthaya. Let's go to my accommodation. Ayutthaya is 86 kilometers away from Bangkok, so I think we can say this is rural Thailand by now. I wanted to explore a smaller Thai town or city next to the islands and the capital. This is why I'm here. I booked a boat tour and they will take me and the group to the most famous landmarks here in Ayutthaya. And I have 1 more hour till that. So I came out for a quick walk and for a lunch here in Ayutthaya. And wow, it's so authentic. Less tourists and more locals. I mean, in the last 5 minutes since I left the hotel, I haven't seen a European or an American. I came to a local restaurant. To be honest, it's not cheaper than in Bangkok. This is a tom yum soup. It's very big, full with shrimps and with mussels. I think I am not able to eat this. This is the biggest mussel I will ever eat. Around Ayutthaya there are 3 rivers, the Chao Phraya, which is the one in Bangkok as well, Passak and Lopburi. So now we'll go by the boat on every river of the city, and yeah, more information later because this is historically one of the most interesting cities in South Asia. This is the view we got, and I think there is our long-tail boat. Look where we go. Here is the wall and here is the river, and here is our long-tail boat. The tour started. Let's see what we'll see. I got very similar vibes just like at the Taluk Delta. Guys, we are at our first stop in a Buddhist temple, and look at my back. This is the biggest Buddha statue I've ever seen. It's full of gold. The entrance fee to here was 40 baht, which is around $1. Next to the temple, I bought Chinese tea, 20 baht, 50 cents, fair price again. And I like this, that they are not charging you more because you are at a touristy place. Ayutthaya was the capital of the Siam Kingdom. Let's say the Siam Kingdom is the former Thailand. It was the capital for more than 400 years, from the 14th to the 18th century. This was a huge paradise temple called Wat Ratchaburana, which was built back in 1353. So after Ayutthaya became the kingdom's capital, it was the first church built by the king. And look at that, very impressive building. Look, this temple, look at its walls. I think it's still very beautiful. It's close to 700 years. We can enter to the temple. Look at the walls. More than 600 years old. Wow. Ooh. I think up there are bats, but this is not sure. Wow. But some animal is there for sure. I know if those are bats, I'm scared of losing my hair. At the backyard here is a huge reclining Buddha statue. By the boats, we arrived to here. This is the most iconic place in Phra Nakhon Si Ayutthaya. Guys, look at here. So yeah, this is the view I waited for. So yeah, for me, this is absolute Southeast Asia. I know it's only my third day here, but yeah, old ancient historical sites, and I would say not, I don't know, I like poverty, or I like to see these wooden houses, this traditional lifestyle, this long tailboat, this traditional classic life. Wat Ratchaburana now is a very old historical complex. Just look at here, it was a temple complex. Back then, when in 1767 the Burmese army attacked Ayutthaya and they demolished everything, these brick and stone buildings remained here. They survived the Burmese attack, the Burmese demolishing, and we can watch it today as well for 80 baht. Here in the Asia Express first episode there was a finish, and I remember when competitors, Hungarian celebrities around here where I'm working now, and they were stayed ignoring the Hungarian host of the game here. They run up here like I do. No, I'm running. And what's up? Yeah, thank you. I'm the first. Yeah, thank you. Am I getting the advantage to the next round? Other interesting and maybe a sad thing here is that a lot of Buddha statues are visible without their hats. It's because the Burmese army came here and breaking the Buddha statue's head. They wanted to show dominance and they wanted to kill their belief. But they also looked for some, I don't know for what exactly, Siamese people put treasures into the statues. They built the treasures into the statues, and they think that, yeah, they're inside the statue, the treasure is in free. Not against the Burmese, not against the Burmese, just so we can see what happened here. I enjoyed the boat trip so much. I don't know. I was boating yesterday, today. I really love it. So this program in total costed $8, 3.5 hours long, and now they take us back to the accommodation by tuk-tuk. I think it's a very fair price. Ayutthaya Historical City is part of the World Heritage since 1991. We came back to the Wat Mahathat. This is a temple complex we missed. I bought a coconut, which is very delicious. And yeah, later, after I check out what's going on here, there is a night market there. I will get some street food. Here is the famous Buddha head in a tree. Here is the night market. Let's eat something. I bought 4 balls for 30 baht. Let's see. Hello. Thank you. Well, it's good. I bought a brownie and what do you mean? Very great price for these cakes. I am standing here for a next roti. Let's see. This is how the roti looks like for 50 baht, a little cheaper than in Bangkok. Guys, just so you can see, I'm back. So yeah, it was this video. I'm traveling to south this time, to Krabi. So yeah, subscribe to my channel because there will be more exciting videos from Southeast Asia, a lot of videos. And yeah, I really liked Ayutthaya. It was a little cheaper than Bangkok and the atmosphere was very good as well, very historic city. So history lovers, you should spend a day or 2 here at Ayutthaya. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.